Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the YouTube channel of the same name, English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take another look at some sayings with the word set in them, and we're going to do it with this feature called Which One Does Not Belong? All week we've been looking at sayings with the word set in them, but today one of these does not belong. Are you ready? Our choices are set a date, set an alarm, set a broken bone, and set a bed. Which one does not belong? Are you ready? Think about it. Got it? Write it down. Say it out loud. Shout it from the rooftops. Did you say D, set a bed? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. You are correct. Set a bed does not belong. Why does set a bed not belong? Well, let me tell you. You can set a date, for a party or a wedding. You can set an alarm. I set mine for 5 a.m. You can set a broken bone. You break your, doctor, it's broken. Well, we'll have to set it. Oh, got it. But we don't set a bed. We make a bed. Oh, do tell. Yes, but now we're going to do some more sayings with the word set in them. Are you ready? Set your mind right. Set sail. Set things to music. Set goals. Set aside. Wait, there's more. Set back, set the record straight, set foot on, set forth, set in motion, and set apart. That's a lot of set. Why does English have so many sayings and phrases with the word set in them? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this set of sentences. Are you ready? Set your mind right. Set your sights on a goal and don't quit when you get a setback. What? Come on, English. Why don't you use set in a phrase or verb sentence and leave it in the comments? Okay? Ready, set, go. Peace, friends.